Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 12 from Madani Qaida. Today we will learn the rule of Izhar in an Arabic accent. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson we will learn what is Izhar in an Arabic accent, what is Noon Sakin, what is Tanween, how many halqiya letters are there in an Arabic accent, and how do we pronounce the Izhar rule in an Arabic accent. We will learn all these things in this lesson. Let's start. What is Izhar in an Arabic accent? Viewers, Izhar is the first rule of the Noon Sakin and Tanween. What is Izhar? If any halqiya letter comes after a Noon Sakin or Tanween, then Izhar will be done. What is Noon Sakin? The letter Noon Sakin can be written as Noon is Sakin because Noon has Sakin sign or Jazm sign on it. Any letter which has this Jazm sign or Sakin sign on it, that letter is called Sakin letter. Here Noon is Sakin. What is Tanween? Two Zabar, two Zer and two Pesh are called Tanween. How many halqiya letters are there in an Arabic accent? There are 6 halqiya letters in an Arabic accent, and they are Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ha, and Ghain. These are 6 halqiya letters in an Arabic accent. How do we pronounce the Izhar rule in an Arabic accent? This is the example of Izhar. Here Izhar rule is happening because there is after Tanween halqiya letter comes Ha. How do we pronounce Izhar in an Arabic accent? Let's spell. Noon, Vav, Pesh, Nu, Ha, Tu Zabar Han, Nuhan, Ha Zabar Ha, Dal, Ya Zabar Day, Haday, Noon Alif Zabar Na, Hadayna, Nuhan Hadayna, Nuhan Hadayna. Here Izhar rule is happening because after Tanween to Zabar there is halqiya letter comes. This is the example of Izhar. In coming videos inshallah we will learn more example of Izhar. Thanks for watching. Kindly share this video and visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.